Hey everyone on YouTube. Today we're going to be going over how to convert a 9006 headlight bulb to fit the housing of a 9012. To the left we have an LED 9006 bulb, and to the right we have a stock 9012 bulb. And so these are comparable with each other. The only thing, or the only modification that's needed, is reducing the right bottom tab on the 9006 to fit the 9012 housing. The way you do that is by getting a Dremel or rotary tool, and with a Sharpie we can actually mark this tab and make it the same size as the tab on this end. And so the way you line up the bulbs is, if you're looking at them from the top, the 9006 bulb will have a smaller tab than the 9012. The 9012 has this bigger tab. Just use them to line them up. And so in lining those tabs up, you'll have a left wing and a right wing. Same thing on the 9012. And that's the only difference. The rest of it will be the same. In doing this, you can actually have a versatile number of bulbs that are 9006 fit your 9012 housing. After using the Sharpie, I ended up marking the 9006 bulb here. So remember, make sure to wear safety glasses. This is the rotary tool I'll be using. I put a little grinding stone right. After grinding down the tab, you can see that it's at the same angle and the same size as the 9012 bulb. And this opens up the doors to many other bulbs that will fit your vehicle. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.